welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali. Today I'm going to share with you guys a recipe. This is called Carne en su Jugo. I'm going to introduce all the ingredients here so we can get cooking. We're going to need espaldilla. This is called beef shoulder, cebollas, chile serrano, bacon, my favorite, and cilantro, tomatillos, onion, more chile serranos, salt and pepper, and nor suiza. We're also going to need beans, which I already have over here, ready to go. So we're gonna get started with our bacon. I already have my my frying pan. It's on medium heat. So if you guys could come over here so they could see. This is a pack of bacon, and I already went ahead and I cut it up into small pieces. So it's, like I said, my pot is on medium heat. Make sure that when you guys make this recipe, you guys use a deep enough pot or pan, because like I said, it's called carne en su jugo, so you're gonna have lots of the broth or the jugo, so we need a big enough space for everything to cook. So I'm gonna cook my bacon. It's a full pack, and I'm glad that this recipe calls for bacon because I love bacon. So we're gonna cook it thoroughly. Okay, we'll let this cook and then we'll come back. The bacon's halfway done. We're gonna add our onion and our chile serranos. Remember, for this recipe, if you guys want to add more chile serranos, you guys can. I'm only doing a couple. I'm only doing 5 today. But if you guys want it spicier, throw it in there, guys. One more thing about the cebollitas. Remember to remove the top of the cebollita and the bottom, so they end up looking like this. We're gonna cook this together, and then I'll come back and show you guys the following steps. While my bacon's cooking, I'm gonna start making my salsa. We have here cilantro, tomatillo, onion, and chile serrano. I have 3 cups of water, so we're gonna throw our tomatillos in here. The onion, and 2 tablespoons of the nor suiza. Throw in here the tomatillos, cilantro. We're gonna mix it all in. If you guys want it more spicy, once again, you guys could add more chile serranos. I found that with this amount, it makes the perfect spiciness. It's good enough to eat, and because sometimes people, they love it super spicy, so. Let's check on this. Oh, it's ready and it smells delicious. Look at my onions. They're nice and soft. So what I did, I put a lid on it for that same reason, to make sure that the cebollitas get steamed, they get soft, they get cooked all the way, and it smells so good. The bacon cooked for about 8 minutes by itself, sorry. And then what I did, I added the cebollitas and the chile serranos. That cooked about 12 minutes together with the lid on it, and that's why you get that smell. It smells so good. So the next step, we're gonna remove the bacon and the cebollitas, and with the same bacon oil, we're gonna cook our meat. So I'm gonna try to take this out as much as I can without removing the oil, because we are gonna need it to cook our meat. Look at that, and it's, besides smelling very good, it's very pretty. You guys have to do this pretty fast because the bacon's still cooking, so let's hurry before it smells like it's burning. Okay, I'm gonna add my espaldilla, and we're gonna mix it in with the bacon fat. I'm gonna add to this my salt and pepper. That's always gonna be to taste. And my taste goes something like this. A little bit more salt. We're gonna cook this. We'll be right back. So our meat is ready. This is 2 pounds of espaldilla, and I also cut it in strips. See? I'm gonna add the salsa. And then we're gonna let this come to a boil. We'll be right back. And the salsa is ready. Oh my God, it smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna add these frijoles de la olla. This, you guys could add as many as you want. I'm gonna add about 4. The meat is ready, and I'm gonna add my cebollitas and the chiles serranos, bacon. Oh my goodness gracious. And I'm gonna add my cilantro. Okay, I'm gonna let this cook for about 5 minutes. We'll be right back.